Hello and welcome to another dashcam video from Adventures with TCS. I'm Tom, and today be riding along with me as I drive to the beautiful Kolob Canyons in Zion National Park. But first of all, I'd like to say welcome to my channel, and if this video is something you find entertaining, I'd encourage you to check out some of the other videos from my trip or other road trips I've taken. I'd also appreciate it if you support my channel and the creation of more videos just like this one by clicking that like button and maybe becoming a subscriber as well. Lastly, I'd also like to thank you for taking the time out of your day to travel along with me on some of the best roads that America has to offer. So this video begins in Verkin, Utah as we make our way to I-15. Once we reach I-15, we'll take the short drive north to the Kolob Canyons, part of Zion National Park. After reaching the visitor center, we'll take the Scenic road into the Kolob Canyons to Timber Creek Overlook Trailhead and the Kolob Canyons picnic area. This video is from the 6th day of my 10-day adventure to the west coast and back, which included video from a handful of national parks and monuments, as well as over 6,000 miles of dashcam footage from 14 states, including ones we've already seen like Arizona, Texas, and Oklahoma, but also from upcoming states like Colorado and Kansas. So please consider subscribing if you haven't already, so you don't miss a thing. But for now, I'm going to keep driving towards the Kolob Canyons in beautiful southern Utah. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video from this trip, we'll head north on I-15 to Cedar City. So make sure you subscribe so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.